How to make 100x in a liquidity crisis. Well, Leo, first of all, what makes you think that there is a liquidity crisis? Guys, how could you not be asking yourself such simple questions as we've had Mag 7 companies that had $100 billion on their balance sheet as cash, and now all that cash is gone, and they're borrowing billions and billions of dollars. Meta 100 bill, Amazon borrowing billions. All these Mag 7 companies are borrowing money because they've already gone for their for the cash they had. How can this not be a liquidity crisis where the top companies in the world that have been cashed up for years, now all of a sudden their cash is gone and they have to borrow basically record numbers the world has ever seen? So how can this not be a liquidity crisis? How much liquidity is there to go around? I'm recording this on July 13th. I've explained in a video yesterday about the dollar trade and how everybody's got the dollar trade wrong and the trillions of losses that the dollar trade will resolve for the markets. And this liquidity crisis, people also often get confused with just a simple crash, but liquidity crisis is something that is way more severe. And there is a way to profit because there is a way to profit to the tune of 50x, 100x on some of these trades because of the market positioning. The market is positioned for the dollar to go down. Well, the dollar is going to explode, okay? The signs are there, and I'm telling you today on July 13th, 2026, that tomorrow could easily be a Black Tuesday, followed by a Black Wednesday, followed by a Black Thursday, followed by a Black Friday. In other words, nobody's pricing a crash now, okay? The market is positioning severely bullish. But when you actually look at the charts, like here I've got a chart of SNDK. Friday, we were shorting the hell out of Micron and SNDK. And I recorded a podcast or a video telling you guys that this double top, temporary double top, is going to resolve into a major drop. And basically, we're shorting it above 1900, 1930, 1934. Well, today the stock is trading again in the 1600s. Guys, how could you be missing trades like this? If you're a self-respecting trader, how could you not be just simply looking at the chart, shorting the bounce, and making a ton of money? Now, SanDisk is not your 100x trade because of the options pricing. I've recorded multiple videos recently stressing the importance of options pricing. Okay, so you're not going to make in a liquidity crisis. Sure, people will continue selling SNDK. Sure, they will continue dumping Micron because these are some of the most overcrowded trades. But the resolve of the most overcrowded trade, which the entire world has been short dollar, and dollar is about to make a short squeeze, and everybody's been short, is going to be covering their short dollar positions. Because that's what happens in a liquidity crisis. You have sharp demand for dollars. And somehow 99.9% of traders didn't see this coming. They're still not seeing this coming. There's people are still placing bets that the dollar is about to drop. There's still people that are going long gold for the simple reason they don't understand what the fuck a liquidity crisis mean. That means everything goes lower with the exception of what I told you in the video yesterday, guys. Dollar goes higher, VIX goes higher. That's it. Everything else fucking drops. But the market positioning, okay? Market is positioning for the biggest bull run of our life, right? Well, they were positioning for the biggest bull of SNDK run. When? Last trading day, which was Friday, and I'm recording this Monday, and the shit is already down almost 300 points. What kind of fucking bull run are we talking about here? And if the top stocks cannot rally, what do you think is going to happen to the regular piece of shit stocks? I mean, they don't have a chance. They don't have a chance. Companies are maxed out, okay? And it's happening at the same moment that there's going to be an oversupply of bonds. Like, think the situation I've explained to you yesterday with Japan in some prior videos. Like, Japan is going to dump United States government bonds. At the time, United States government needs to borrow money, needs to issue more bonds. The oversupply of the bond market is colossal. And clearly, when somebody is looking at buying corporate debt from big Mag 7 companies, right, the other alternative is to buy United States government bonds. So there is a plethora, an abundance of fucking supply of corporate bonds and government bonds at the same time. What are they all trying to do? The biggest companies in the world are trying to borrow the biggest amount in history. United States is trying to borrow the biggest amount in history. Okay, it does not end well, and most of the people are miscalculating. They're saying, well, that's a problem that's gonna come later. That's a problem that's gonna... Guys, how can you be saying, anybody that's in the market could be saying that this is a problem for 2030. This is a problem possibly, a year from now, 2 years from now. It is here today on July 13th. AI trade is unwinding at the speed of light right in front of your eyes. Now, nobody had the balls to call the top. We did it. 626.26. I told you. I posted the candles. I've told you, look, this candle formation right here on SNDK and MU, that's your AI top. Now, the people still go on public media saying, oh, there's no way this is an AI top. This is the broadening cycle. This is blood. All that garbage. Okay? And it's the fact that people are so blind at the moment of a liquidity crisis is what creates a liquidity crisis, damn it. People simply ignore the basics, the simple math. They simply cannot fucking do 2 + 2 at a moment where, hey, all you gotta do is just focus. It is the biggest liquidity crisis the world has ever seen. And for anybody to say, well, rates are going. Rates are not going anywhere. While Trump is announcing a 20% blockade pass-through toll, so he was against Iran collecting the toll, but it's okay if he collects the toll, I guess. Look, I mean, it's ironic as it gets, but the point is, prices are fucking going higher, and until this situation is going to begin breaking, I mean, the markets worldwide are about to begin breaking in the biggest fucking way since you've probably seen 1997, 98 crisis. It began in Asia. It began with Thailand, but it spread all over the world. And similar situation is happening right now. This liquidity crisis is going to be insane. And the only thing that's going to go up is the dollar and the VIX. So, and somehow it's just options are still priced as if there's no liquidity crisis, as if the markets are not just about to drop 20%, 30%, 60% in some cases. I'm telling you that this week alone, again, I'm recording this on July 13th, and the markets are only down like 20 points, no big deal. But what I'm telling you is the markets could go down this week alone. S&P 500 and NASDAQ could drop 20%. Just this week alone, damn it. The week from, July 13th through this Friday, July 17th. I mean, that this week alone, we could see the market drop 20%. So it's not apparent to everyone today, but I think it will be apparent to everybody tomorrow when the market's going to be down 5-6% tomorrow across the board. I'm talking about a Russell 2000, NASDAQ, S&P 500. I mean, if you think a 300-point drop on SNDK looks bad, wait till it come tomorrow. I mean, this shit is going to, who knows? Maybe it's going to be a 500-point drop in one day. But I'm telling you, people will sell everything. People will sell the best stocks. People will sell gold. People will sell everything. That's what happens in a liquidity crisis. People go and they're trying to cash out, and the only thing that's got real demand at times like that, at moments like that in the market, is US dollar, okay? So a huge spike in the US dollar while everybody's short out of their mind on the US dollar is going to create a potential bounce. I mean, as shocking as it may seem, I mean, we could be going from 101 handle to 107 just this week alone, which it doesn't seem like a lot for those of you that are not familiar with how currencies trade, but this would be a huge 1 week move for a dollar to go from 101 to 107. And if that happens, everything breaks. I mean, and from there, I mean, of course, it may not stop at 107. It may go to 113 over a span of 2-3 months. And if that happens, guys, I mean, it's over. It is over for the markets. So the opportunity to make 100x exists today on July 13th. But the only way you can grasp it, I'm telling you, you're not going to make it on SanDisk. You're not going to make it on Micron. Simply shorting some of these most overcrowded stocks is not. You need a combination where options are underpriced, which is why if you're a self-respecting trader, it is unexcusable if you did not click the link below this video and you didn't set up the CoinCall account using our referral link. If you're going to miss the 100x, 200x, 300x on shorting Bitcoin with put options, Ethereum with put options, this shit is about to make a 20,000 point candle lower. You're going to be sitting there wondering, why the fuck did I not do it? Why didn't I go for this 100, 200, 300x trade? Well, if I have time, I'll record how stupidly underpriced. I mean, they have gone up since yesterday, the options pricing, but they're still ridiculously underpriced in relation to where they should be trading right now. And so if you're not taking advantage of these simple trades, guys, it takes 1 minute to set up an account at CoinCall. It takes 1 minute to make a deposit in USDT there. It takes 1 minute to get into a trade. So within 3 minutes, you can have the trade on, but you need to know which strike, which expiration, okay? And, ideally you want to nail at least the intraday entry. So with that, get in touch with the 30 Market Moves coach. We will help you. Now, outside of this complete mispricing that's taking place in as far as the crypto markets, everybody's thinking shit is about to moon, while clearly there is really 97% correlation that when dollar goes higher, it's not only that gold drops, but Bitcoin drops as well. So they have a negative correlation majority of the time. Yet people are sitting there saying how Bitcoin's going to go higher. In the liquidity crisis, Bitcoin is not going fucking high. It's going lower, and it's going lower faster than probably SanDisk. But luckily, options are mispriced. Why? Well, because Bitcoin's been going sideways. And sideways sometimes will cause option premiums to deflate until there comes a big move. And I'm telling you, we're on the verge of that move. And I'd say that move will happen tomorrow on the 14th. Now, it could begin happening, but sort of already began happening yesterday. Bitcoin is down from 64.5. Now it's trading around 62.5. But it's not a big deal. It's a 2,000 point drop. Sure, some of my guys are already up. 300%-400%, 700%, depends on strike and expirations. But I'm telling you, you're about to miss the big move. All right, so the world is about to be in total chaos, guys. All right, and it's not because of what's happening in Iran, but because of the liquidity crisis that is so apparent to me, but yet somehow 99.999% of traders can't see it. I don't understand how. The biggest companies are out of fucking cash and they're trying to borrow at the moment where borrowing is gonna get really, really difficult, which means yields are about to go to the moon. Guys, we're literally about to witness going through the 1980s situation where interest rates just kept going higher and higher. And I'm telling you, there's a great chance interest rates will be raised on July 29th. And we're probably going to do something that nobody else is talking about right now, because most of the people are thinking, okay, we're going to get 2 rate hikes, we're going to get 2 rate cuts, that sort of thing. I'm telling you that we're probably going to get a rate cut in July 29, 2026, and next meeting in August, Federal Reserve is going to be cutting rates. So nobody's talking about a hike and a cut. Okay, that's why you come to 13 Market Moves, to hear these original ideas, not the copycat bullshit, groupie shit that everybody else is talking about. Okay, so what's likely to happen is they're going to raise the rates, the market's going to collapse even more, and if they allow the market to collapse by more than 20%, then come next meeting, they're going to be doing an emergency, or it may not even be a cut that they're going to be doing during the meeting. They could be cutting, calling an emergency type outside of the scheduled Federal Reserve meetings, where they're like, oh shit, we got to cut now. And, you'll see a cut. So a hike followed by almost an immediate cut within 30 to 60 days after the hike is, I think, the highest probability, because this liquidity crisis it's going to be wild, guys. And there is real opportunity today on July 13th to make it and still get yourself into positions that would produce fruit to the magnitude of 100x plus on some of these trades. So do it with 13 Market Moves. We want to help you capture these crazy underpriced trades right now that are happening in the market. But guys, I'm serious. Come tomorrow, come next week, okay? When the market's down 10, 20%, when the market's down 30%, those are not going to be the times to enter the trades. The opportunity is here now. You blink and you fucking miss it. And blame it all on yourself. But you've got to get in touch. If you really want to make this shit happen, you've got to get in touch with us today. Go under the video, look at the instructions how to do that, okay? Now, not all of you has got what it takes to trade with a coach. Some of you can't follow simple instructions, So not all of you will be selected to trade with a coach. But if you think you got what it takes, then get in touch with us now. Underneath the video, instructions how to do it. And make sure, don't even fucking try to get in touch with us if you don't have a CoinCall account. So set that up first. If you can't spend 3 minutes on preparing yourself for success, as far as I look at it, you don't deserve to trade with a coach, all right? But for those of you that are ready for this moment, that have been waiting for this moment, guys, do it now, okay? This is the fucking time. Let's roll.